Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Okay, last video I showed you how to turn this into this. Now I'm going to tell you what to do with the leftover pieces, and that's this. We are going to make a very cute and very adorable crayon holder. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you will need the tops of 2 Voss water bottles left over from making our pencil case. Duct tape, scissors, Sharpie pen, X-Acto knife, and a work surface, and a ruler. These are the 2 pieces that are left over for when I made my pencil case out of 2 Voss water bottles. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm just going to measure on one of these and put a little mark at 3/4 of an inch. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to make 3 cuts. 1, 2, and 3. So I cut right up to that line and then on either side of it so that I end up with a little bit of fringe. We're going to take our second one and we're going to take these little fringes and we're going to place them inside and the edges on the outside. So the little cuts go on the inside and the edges go on the outside so that you can tuck one bottle over top the other bottle with a little bit of give. There we go. And you end up with one on top of the other, just like that. Now, don't worry about that little lump because what we're going to do is we're going to put some duct tape around it. So now we're going to take our handy dandy duct tape cut a nice little strip, and we're going to be using the full 2-inch strip this way. And going to wrap it around the center. See, that little bulge totally disappears. And now just to make it a little pretty, I'm going to take some of this tape in a different pattern. This one I'm actually going to cut into 3 strips. So I'm going to make 1 skinny strip, and cut 1 more down the center here and make 2 medium strips. So I get 3 strips from my 2-inch piece of tape. And I'm going to take the skinny one and put it around the center. Told you that little lump is going to get totally hidden. There we go. And then I'm going to put the other pieces on the top. Now for the fun part. I get to fill it with crayons. So to fill it, I just take my top off like this, just unscrew, and I'm going to put a bunch of crayons in here. Depending what size you make this, you could also put pencils in here if you wanted to, but I love it for crayons, especially because it's left over from my pencil case. Isn't that fun? I love it. Now your crayons are on the roll, and there you have it, your own handy dandy crayon holder. And I love that you got to have this as well, so that you could put your papers and all of your pencils in here, your crayons in here, and you are ready for art, baby. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com. We especially love things made out of recycled materials. So if you do too, make sure you subscribe down below. We put out a new video every Wednesday and Friday. For more fun ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.